Exploring art galleries has been a source of immense inspiration and a journey into the world of creativity. I've had the privilege of visiting various art galleries, each offering a unique perspective on the world of visual art. One of my most memorable visits was to a contemporary art gallery that featured avant-garde pieces that challenged traditional norms. The vibrant colors, abstract forms, and thought-provoking installations left me in awe. It was an exploration of the boundless creativity of artists who dared to push the boundaries of conventional art. In contrast, I also had the opportunity to immerse myself in a classical art gallery that showcased renowned masterpieces. Viewing iconic works such as the Mona Lisa and Starry Night in person was a surreal experience. The attention to detail, the play of light and shadow, and the emotional depth conveyed in these paintings were truly mesmerizing. I've also been drawn to contemporary photography exhibitions that capture the essence of everyday life. The candid shots of people in different corners of the world, the documentation of social issues, and the celebration of diverse cultures through photography serve as a reminder of the power of visual storytelling. Sculpture gardens have been another fascinating discovery. Walking through these serene outdoor spaces adorned with sculptures that range from the abstract to the figurative is a meditative experience. It's a journey where art seamlessly blends with nature. The gallery visits have not only enriched my aesthetic sensibilities but have also sparked my own creativity. I've been inspired to dabble in various forms of art, from painting to photography, as a way to express my own perspective on the world. Whether it's the contemporary, the classical, the photographic, or the sculptural, art galleries have been a gateway to a world of beauty, innovation, and human expression. Each visit is a reminder that art knows no bounds, and its impact on our lives is profound.